Hello everyone, welcome back to Bake Bottle Cook and welcome to my new series, Substitute This for That, where I'll share easy ingredient swaps to save your baking and cooking adventures. Believe me, I've been there and it still happens to me a lot. Today is all about dairy. So, ran out of buttermilk or cream or milk? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's see what we can do. So first up, buttermilk. It adds tang and tenderness to a recipe. But if you don't have any, here are two quick fixes. Take 1 cup of milk, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar and let it stir it and let it stand for 5 minutes. I promise you, boom, you'll have buttermilk. But if you don't have any lemon or vinegar, something that I always keep handy in my fridge is plain yogurt. So just substitute your 1 cup of buttermilk with a cup of yogurt. A nice thick yogurt. I always like to buy a full cream or a double cream, rich and creamy yogurt. These swaps work perfectly for cakes, pancakes, or even marinades. So next up, heavy cream. If your recipe calls for heavy cream or cream and you don't have any, here's the easy hack. Melt a quarter cup of butter and slowly whisk it into a 3/4 cup of milk. This gives you 1 cup of heavy cream that you can use in your baking and cooking. It won't whisk up. It won't. This substitute works well in soups and sauces, but just remember it won't whip up like a heavy cream. Next we have a cheese substitute. If you don't have mascarpone in your fridge, you can just replace it with cream cheese. But if you don't have cream cheese, you can replace that with a cup of yogurt. I mean, that is why, as I said, I always have yogurt in my fridge. It's so versatile. These substitutes are perfect for desserts, pasta dishes, dips and spreads. Next up we have milk. If you don't have milk in your fridge and you're in the middle of a recipe, like I've done before, you're going to have to think of something to substitute with. Mostly you'll have these swaps in your pantry. So the first option of 2, to substitute milk, dilute evaporated milk with the equal amount of water for a 1-to-1 substitute. And then option 2, something that I mostly have in my cupboard because I like to make desserts. Use a can of condensed milk, and actually, I've grown up doing this. Use your condensed milk and dilute it with enough water to make about 1 liter or even 2 liters of milk, and then you can use that in all your desserts. I even use it for milk replacement in coffee, and it's delicious. So these swaps are perfect for baking and cooking alike. And there you have it, simple dairy swaps to keep your recipes on track. Don't let missing ingredients stop you from making something delicious. Always remember, creativity is key in the kitchen. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Bake Bottle Cook for more trusted recipes and kitchen tips. Happy cooking! I'll see you in the next video. Bye!